Electropolishing will remove approximately 1 to 2 10,000ths of an inch per surface on a metal piece. And that's important to manufacturers who are manufacturing tight tolerance parts specifically for the medical industry. They have to be tightly controlled, and every inch really counts.
We have validated lines, which are often required by our medical customers. So we put ourselves through a validation study where we test our product at the extremes, at high levels and low levels associated with our process.
We have some customers who manufacture hypodermic needles who just want a very small amount of electropolishing on the radius of a tip. And we can accomplish that by going through a really quick flash electropolishing process, low time, low current. It'll still passivate parts, it'll deburr the edges. And it's a great finishing process for those types of parts. We serve a wide variety of industries. So an example of a part in the medical industry that we would electropolish would be an instrument tube, a cutting instrument, a trocar, a hypodermic needle that's used during surgery, parts that need to be deburred and cleaned and passivated and be sterile for component kits that are used in manufacturing. We also electropolish orthopedic instruments and parts that are used in surgeries, and we electropolish autoclave kits as well too, so perforated kits that are used to hold medical instruments during surgeries as well. They need to be deeply cleaned, electropolished and passivated.
Even though stainless steel is inherently passive, in the forming process, impurities are embedded into the surface of the material, and those are the areas where corrosion will build over time. So our medical customers, our marine customers, our food service customers are very interested in making sure that parts are passive to extend the life cycle.
New England Electropolishing offers a proprietary process that produces a matte finish, and we've trademarked it Electromat, and that produces a non-reflective matte finish that is interesting, and it's also important for customers, specifically customers that are serving the medical industry. Often doctors and surgeons want a non-reflective finish in the operating room for laparoscopic surgery. Electromat offers all the same elements and benefits of electropolishing without the shine. So the benefits of electropolishing are the stainless steel will stand up well over time and perform well.